Hello dreamers, it's Sahar. Today we're unlocking the mysteries of your dreams and integrating them into your waking life. Join me on a journey where the unconscious becomes a practical tool for self-awareness and spiritual growth. Dreams are not random. They're messages waiting to be decoded. My upcoming Your Dreams Decoded workshop is a journey into the unconscious mind. We delve into the realm of dreams, demystifying symbols and guiding you on how to make these messages part of your conscious reality. Imagine understanding the language of your own unconscious mind. Through interpreting your dreams, you'll gain insights into your true self. It's all about self-awareness, expanding your consciousness, and shaping your future. Your dreams hold the key to self-discovery. Ready to decode your dream language? Stay tuned for more updates leading up to my workshop. Head to saharhunaidi.com and let's explore the dream world together.